Patient testimonial videos bring real-world experiences to life and tell the story of your practice from a patient's perspective.
You gotta see this from my perspective, okay?
They build trust, reinforce your core values, and make a patient feel comfortable before they even walk through your door.
That sounds great. I'll also do that.
Hey guys, my name is Art. I'm the content director here at Lasso MD, and today we're just going to talk about patient testimonials and to give you a couple tips on how to make some on your own.
Yes, I did it myself.
By showcasing true stories from real patients, these videos help viewers connect with you on a personal level and show them what they could expect if they became a patient themselves.
He's my patient now.
So at Lasso, the way we create testimonials is similar to our practice overviews by conducting one-to-one interviews.
Then remember the movie Interview with a Vampire?
And by doing it this way, we're able to get responses that are authentic and natural and don't feel staged or contrived.
It's fake.
But the most important thing in getting a great patient testimonial is just picking the right patients.
I think you're pretty cool.
Seriously?
So we're looking for those superstar patients who had a great experience and love to brag about the work that you've done for them. Maybe they were afraid of the dentist. Maybe they had a life-changing smile makeover.
When I actually met with Dr. Heyman for the first time, I understood. I was like, she's awesome. And I actually don't hate going to the dentist anymore.
Get these things right, and you'll be able to create amazing testimonials on your own just using your smartphone. So just identify the patient, be prepared with questions, and then walk them through the process.
Come with me if you want to live.
Feel free to try it out. Use those videos on places like Facebook Stories or Instagram Stories. Keep them short and sweet, and hope you guys have some fun with it. Thanks for watching. Again, my name is Art. Drop us a comment if you have any questions, or visit us at lassomd.com.